What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to resolve failed draws on Fundbox. A failed draw on Fundbox means the platform was unable to transfer the requested funds into your business bank account. This can disrupt your cash flow plans, so it's essential to identify and fix the issue quickly. Let me show you how it's done. So first step is to check your linked bank account. Now most failed draws happen because of bank related issues. Here's what to verify. Is the account still active? If you close the account or you switch banks, the draw is definitely going to fail. Now, is the account properly linked? If it's not, you can just go to your Fundbox dashboard settings, bank account, and make sure that your account is verified and not disconnected. Next, have your bank credentials changed. Now, if you change your bank login or added security measures like two-factor authentication, then Fundbox may not have access anymore. So to fix that, just reconnect or relink your bank account. Just log out and then log back into Fundbox and follow the prompts to verify your bank. Step 2, look for account restrictions. Now, even if the account is open, your bank might block third-party transfers temporarily, either due to fraud alerts, overdraft limits, or new account holds. To fix this, all you gotta do is call your bank's customer service and confirm that ACH transfers from Fundbox are allowed. Ask them to lift any holds or restriction. Step 3, check draw limits and eligibility. Now, if your Fundbox draw request exceeds your current available credits, of course, it may be declined. So go to the draw funds page, check your available credits, and make sure you're not requesting more than your limits. To fix this, try requesting a smaller amount or just wait until your limit resets after a repayment. Step 4, retry the draw. Now, after fixing the issue, just return to your Fundbox dashboard, select the amount, click the draw again. Now, if the issue was fixed correctly, the transfer should succeed. Funds will typically appear within 1 business day. Step 5 is to contact Fundbox support if it still fails. Now, if you verified your bank and limits, but the draw still fails, then you want to email Fundbox at support@fundbox.com and use live chat, or you can use live chat via your dashboard. You can also call customer service if, of course, the phone support is available in your region. Now, you want to make sure that you have the following info ready. First is your last 4 digits of your business bank account. You're also going to need dates and amounts of failed draws, likewise screenshot or description of the exact error. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.